I want to talk to you about two of UniWigs' most popular hair toppers that I've been using for the past months, and that's the Courtney Upgrade Mono Topper and the Airy Elegance Lace Front Topper. But before I get into my thoughts on how they wear, let me give you a few details on both. So the Courtney Upgrade is a 7x8 mono topper in vanilla butter blonde, which is my favorite color from UniWigs. This is a 12 inches in length, and this one comes in both Burmese and Chinese hair. Mine is Burmese and has 130% density. The Airy Elegance is a 6.5x7 lace front topper, also in the vanilla butter blonde, 12-inch length. This one only comes in the Burmese hair option and has 120% density. So, what does this mean for comfortability and wearability? Honestly, I didn't think that I could find a topper that I liked more than the Courtney. She was my first, incredibly natural looking, super comfortable to wear, wore it every day. But living in a hot climate, I wanted to also try another topper that might be more breathable for the summer months. And that's when I saw the Airy Elegance on the UniWigs website. The lace front design gives more breathability on the scalp, which I thought would be perfect for the warmer months. So let me turn these over and just kind of show you the construction a little bit. Well, actually, let's start with the Courtney. The Courtney has a smaller lace area and relies on these 4 clips to secure the topper to your head. The Airy Elegance, on the other hand, has a larger lace area that allows for more breathability and flexibility with how you style your part. It also has 4 clips and an optional halo wire, which holds your front in place, or holds the topper down in the front in place. Now, I personally didn't want to have to deal with glue since I wear my toppers every day, so this halo wire has been a game changer. I've been using it and I haven't had to glue down my topper at all, which has been pretty amazing. So as far as comfort goes, I'd say that the Airy Elegance is a little bit more comfortable for me. It's lighter and smaller with less density, so of course it's gonna feel lighter on my head, and it does have that breathability that I was going for. When it comes to how natural they both look, honestly, they're both really pretty fantastic. I mean, I already thought the Courtney looked perfect, but when I tried on the Airy Elegance, I was surprised at how more natural it actually looked. The lace construction is so well done that the hairs actually look like they are growing out of your hairline. So especially if you have thinning on the front, this lace option is great for you. It looks incredibly real. For styling, the Airy Elegance is great if you want to wear both down or in a low to mid pony, but if you're looking to wear high ponies, top buns, updos, I think the Courtney has a bit of an edge because the Airy Elegance uses the halo wire. A high pony could misplace the wire and therefore potentially shift your hair in the front, whereas the Courtney doesn't have that issue, so it's more secure, I feel, for the kind of updo styles. But for me, having both Courtney and Airy Elegance has been like having the best of both worlds. I can switch between them depending on the day, on my outfit, the style I want. You really can't go wrong with either of these. I can see why they're both so popular in the UniWigs community, and honestly, I'm really glad that I have both.